Cut the bread into 1-inch cubes. Slice 2 bananas into 1/4 inch chunks. Bread 3 eggs into a mixing container. Add 2 cups of milk. One-half teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. 1/2 cup of sugar. 1/2 tablespoon vanilla extract. Mix the egg mixture well. Put the bread cubes into a baking dish. Pour 1/4 cup of melted butter over the cubes and mix. Pour the egg mixture into the bread. Mix in the sliced bananas. Add the raisins and mix. Cover the dish and place it in a 375-degree oven. Bake for 35 minutes. Remove the cover and bake for another 15 minutes to brown. Plate a portion on a plate and drizzle a little caramel or chocolate over it. Enjoy.